In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve question number 1. Calculate the geometric mean of the annual percentage growth rate of profits on business corporate from the year 2000 to 2008 is given below. That is xi 15, 9, 12, 18, 20, 27, 36, 45. So that is first 15. So log of 15 is equal to 1.176091. Second, that is 9. So log of 9 value is equal to 0.954242. Third number 12, so log of 12 is equal to 1.079181. Next 18, log of 18 is equal to 1.255272. Next 20, log of 20 is equal to 1.301029. Next 27, so log of 27 is equal to 1.431363. Next term, that is 36, log of 36 is equal to 1.556302. Next 45, log of 45 is equal to 1.653212. So total is equal to 10.406692. Geometric mean is equal to anti-log into summation log. So geometric mean is equal to anti-log into summation log x, that is sum log x is equal to 10.406692 divided by n. So number is equal to 9. So next anti-log into 10.406692 divide 9, that will be equal to 1.156299. So anti-log of 1.156299 is equal to 11.562991, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.